Are you looking for the best wood office tables? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best wood office tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Veken 47.2-inch Electric Standing Desk. The Veken electric desk offers a beautiful wooden surface that enhances your workspace with its elegant design while being anti-slip. Assembly is a breeze with pre-drilled parts and a user-friendly instruction manual, allowing you to set it up quickly. The built-in cable clip helps keep your cords organized, creating a tidy environment. Additionally, the memory preset feature allows you to save your preferred desk heights, making it easy to transition between sitting and standing positions with just a touch. This desk is designed for your comfort and productivity. What we like: easy assembly, customizable height options, sturdy and stable, quiet motorized adjustments, great value for price. Number 2. Little Tree 70.8-inch Office Desk. The Little Tree Office Desk offers a spacious workspace designed to enhance your productivity. With its generous dimensions, you can easily organize your books, files, and laptop, ensuring everything is within reach. Its versatility allows you to use it as a computer desk, writing table, or even a dining surface, adapting to your various needs. The sturdy construction features a thick tabletop and strong metal legs, providing durability and stability, while the modern design adds a stylish touch to any room. Plus, assembly is a breeze with straightforward instructions and labeled parts. What we like: spacious workspace, versatile use cases, sturdy and durable, modern aesthetic, easy assembly. Number 3. Tribesigns 55-inch Executive Wooden Desk. The Tribesigns Executive Desk offers a modern, stylish design with its unique double trapezoid base and clean desktop, giving your workspace a polished and professional look. Its spacious 55-inch surface provides plenty of room for your laptop, multiple screens, and work essentials, helping you stay organized and efficient. The desk is built with 3 sturdy panels that ensure strong support, while the lightweight hollow legs make it easy to move around. Plus, the non-slip pads protect your floors from scratches. You can also choose from several finishes like light brown, or black to match your room's style perfectly. What we like: modern double trapezoid base, spacious 55-inch desktop, sturdy support panels, lightweight, movable legs, non-slip floor protection. Number 4. IBF 70.8-inch Rustic Computer Desk. IBF Rustic Desk offers a spacious workspace with ample room for multiple monitors, laptops, or work devices, enhancing work efficiency. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and stability, supporting up to 400 pounds. The large desktop size of 70 inches provides a vast area for dual monitors, printers, making it ideal for various tasks like writing, gaming, or studying. This multi-purpose desk can serve as an executive desk, gaming table, or a workstation for 2 people, catering to different home office needs. What we like: spacious workspace, sturdy and durable, large size desktop. Number 5. Tribesigns 63-inch Executive Desk. The Tribesigns Executive Desk brings a warm, natural look to your workspace with its beautiful wood grain finish, creating a cozy farmhouse vibe. Its sleek, lightwood design fits well with many room styles, from modern to rustic, helping you keep your office stylish yet relaxed. The large 63-inch by 31.5-inch desktop gives you plenty of space to organize your computer, documents, and other essentials comfortably. Plus, the desk stands strong thanks to its wide legs and a metal frame underneath, ensuring stability and durability while you work. This desk is designed to keep your work area both functional and inviting. What we like: natural wood grain finish, versatile rustic modern style, spacious desktop area, sturdy wide leg support.